Hey Conde friends, it's me Tori, and today I'm working with the SubliSlate. If you haven't checked out the video over on Conde TV where I use the SubliSlate to make coasters, then I encourage you to go check it out. Today, however, I brought a couple samples so you could see what sizes and styles we carry. Now you can really feel the quality of the slate because it's made out of a real piece of slate. It makes for a very good quality product, and once you put the image on it and see how it blends into those rustic edges, man, it's gonna make for a really nice, unique keepsake. I'm gonna make one now, so let's get started. So this press is gonna be so easy. The only items I brought with me today are some protective paper, my image, my blank slate, a couple pieces of the premium gold heat tape, my green rubber pad, and my Nomex felt pad. And then we're just gonna take the slate and align it with our image, place some tape down to secure it, and then we're done. I told you it was simple. So once I get these last pieces of tape down to secure my slate to my image, we're heading over to the press. Working with our slate, we have a little bit of a different layout. We're gonna first put down our Nomex felt pad, followed by a piece of protective paper. Then our slate image face down, another piece of protective paper, and then we're gonna cover it with our green rubber pad. Let's make sure the paper's lined up nicely. And once it's all sandwiched together, you press. For all of the latest instructions, visit Conde.com. Look at there, our slate is done. Let's see how it turned out. All right, pull that image off. Wow, that looks phenomenal. I love the sky in this picture. How great does that look? It's really hot, so I'm gonna let it cool, and then we'll take a look at it in just a second. That slate looks great. I just love our SubliSlate products because the image looks beautiful once sublimated, and that unique rustic edge makes for a gorgeous keepsake. Call your Conde account agent today and tell them Tori sent you, and you'll receive a free slate coaster on your next slate order. One per account, please. For more tips, products, and services, visit Conde.com, and for more of my videos, check out Conde TV. I'm Tori, thanks for watching.